Hey y'all, how y'all doing on today? In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Asteria Hair. I want to thank them so much for allowing me to try out this unit. This is everything that came in my packaging. I received some lashes, a baby hair brush, a edge melting band, got an HD wig cap, got a satin bag so I can store my unit in there when I'm done wearing it. And this is the wig, y'all. So I received their 5x5 HD lace wig. This is their water wave texture. It's a 250% density, so it is nice and full and thick. The length on this one is a 24-inch lace. Again, it's HD lace, and the hairline does come pre-plucked, and the knots do come pre-bleached. It also comes with an elastic band, and my cap size was a medium cap. So yeah, y'all, some details about this wig, or my thoughts and opinions about this wig. I thoroughly enjoyed this unit. First of all, let me talk about the fullness of the wig. Again, this is 250% density, and baby, it's nice and full, and it's nice and thick. It's not giving the paper thin 130, 150, 180 that, you know, y'all know if y'all wear wigs a lot, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, it's giving fullness. Like, if you're looking for some quality in your units and you want to get the full wigs, Asteria has you covered, y'all. Like, I was in love with the fullness. Yeah, y'all, super thick, super full, y'all. I love that about this unit. Also, the lace is nice and thin. It is giving HD lace. I did melt this gluelessly, so I used bed hair hard hair spray like I always do, and the lace was giving super thin, like very thin, super easy to melt. So if you're looking for some good lace that's thin, Asteria has you covered there also. It came again in the middle part, so it came pretty much ready to wear, and you don't even have to use any hairspray, gel, glue, nothing like that if you don't want, because it comes with an elastic band, so you can just wear this completely product free. But yeah, it comes ready to wear, ready to go. You can literally apply this wig out of the box if you like. Me, I decided to style it in a side part, so all I did was move it to my left side. I adjusted the part a little bit to my liking so it could look better. Instead of just being a middle part, I adjusted the part a little bit. And I did wash this unit before I applied it, so I did wash it. When I washed it, there was very minimum shedding during that process, and also while wearing it and defining the curls, very minimal shedding as well during that time, and no tangling. These curls and waves are gorgeous. It's perfect for vacation hair. It's giving all of the tropical vibes you need. So Asteria Hair has you covered in all of in every department with the fullness of the wigs. If you want your wigs full, they have full wigs. The lace is giving, if you're getting the HD lace, is ready to wear, good for beginners. Like, Asteria has y'all covered. So I have nothing negative to say about Asteria Hair at all with the unit that I received from them, nor from them. They have great customer service. I haven't worked with them in a while, so when they reached out to me, it was such a treat, because before, I've always loved working with them, and I've always had great experiences with them, and they did not disappoint me this time either. So yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna keep blabbering. I really did enjoy this unit. Honestly, truthfully, I enjoyed this unit so much. So if you're looking for some great quality hair, y'all, be sure to check Asteria Hair out. I have all of their information in my description box for you. Tell them Alexis sent you. But yeah, I want to thank Asteria Hair again for working with me. I appreciate y'all. And to to each and every one of you watching this video, thank y'all so much. I love you and appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of the clips, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later.